All right, this is a follow-up to my Uponor leak. So I'm going to have a vent up here. Of course, I want to vent this wall. As I described in a prior video, cold water lines do condensate. And you'll get mold in your walls if they're not vented. So we're going to have a major vent here. And then I'm going to have a small vent up here. Just allow air to go through here. Anyway, if you take a look at this, what I'm doing here, in prior video I had a leak with my Uponor fittings, and I described what to do to resolve that with a conical seal. I've got a water squawker here, so this is a water alarm. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang it inside the wall right off the floor. So I've siliconed the top, and this drilled a hole in it. This is the Watchdog water alarm, like $12. So I drilled a hole in it so that I can hang it. Now, the reason why I siliconed the top of this thing was because water's going to chase down the line. I don't want it getting inside the device and shorting it out so it won't function. So the way this is going to work, if I get another leak in any of these fittings, water is going to run down this line, and the line's going to carry it down to the squawk box water alarm. So anyway, this will sit down inside on the floor, and there's two contacts in the bottom down here. I'll show you how they work. So bear with me here a minute. So when these two contacts see water, it completes the circuit. And it's pretty sensitive because I can put my finger across here, right? That completes the circuit. So when this is hanging down in the floor, on the floor, hanging down in behind the wall here, any water that tracks off this line, or any water that gets in the floor, will be picked up, and I'm going to know about it. So this is what we did down in here. Cleaned this all up. So she's all clean and healthy now. You can see down in there somewhat. Installed a new floor. Got this done, painted everything. Got my vent holes in. Were painted. I'm fixing to lay down my last piece. My course of flooring that I've installed just for the washer and dryer area. I'll finish this later. And then I'm going to put the water alarm in the wall. I'm going to put the vent here. It's a 20 by 20 vent cover. And then there'll be another cover up there. Get these covers on. Reinstall the washer and dryer. And there will be another water alarm center right here between the washer and dryer. So I've got two water alarms, one going behind the shower in the wall, another one going here by the washer and dryer. And this flooring is actually waterproof, not water resistant, waterproof. You could put this together underwater and it would not be affected by humidity. So what I do on these when I'm installing this flooring, it's tongue and groove, snap lock. I put some silicone in here in the seams. So no water can penetrate down through the floor. And that's what the stuff I'm using. Take a look here. You know, mold free, GE. And then when I'm done installing the flooring, then I'll line the wall with silicone, and just to keep the humidity, if there is a spill or you're mopping, nothing gets down into the floor. And in the floor, like I said, I was going to paint the subflooring with Kilz. So this is Kilz, and this actually has some ceramic, nano ceramic beads in it. So it actually has an insulative R value, right? That paint does. All of this paint does. So anyway, I guess that explains what I'm doing. I'm going to move on, try and get this done, do some shopping tonight, hit the rack. All right, hopefully that helps some people out. You understand what's going on. Any water that leaks through will be picked up by the string. String will track down to the water alarm. The water alarm will do its job. This, I need to fix this up later. It shrunk on me. So, the washer's going to be here, so you're not going to see it, but I'll deal with it later. All right, peace out. Hopefully that helps some people out.